Eat a dozen donuts with me. That's not donuts. Eat a supreme chicken salad with me. Teas, buns and torte. It has chicken cheese, a layer of beans at the bottom, lettuce, chicken cheese, olives, sour cream, and then they give you like their homemade little salsa that goes on top that I absolutely love, that I wish I would have gotten additional, and we'll do it. All right, y'all, let's go for it. Let's take a big dig in to the bottom. Some free holes, some cheese, some sour cream. Dude, I'm gonna give it a go. Watch your arm. Hey. Nothing beats this. Plenty of chicken in here. Simple but good. Too good. Y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta get you one of